Yo dudes, what is going on? Today is a different day. We're not in the garage at all. We've actually just rocked up.
Oh, got a nice little setup on the car there.
Today we're at GDR Festival down in Sydney. This is like the be all end all of like if you own a Skyline, like this is the go. So I am well and truly out of my comfort zone for two reasons. One, I'm a Subaru guy, and two, I have a slow Subaru at that. Like, say you have like a 300 kilowatt, like 300 kilowatts, that's relatively quick. To get a 300 kilowatt Subaru, you need to like build the engine and invest like $15,000. To get a 300 kilowatt Skyline GDR, it pretty much just has to turn on. So anyway, today's gonna be sick. All the boys are like down here today, so like if you're into Skylines, you'll know like all the Croydon racing guys like Jun 2, WARGTR, War 30, whatever it is. I'm not gonna try and vlog. I'm not gonna be that idiot like running around with a camera trying to talk to it all day. Instead, I'm going to try and just put together some sort of like montage, and then if anything needs context, I'll go from there. So let's fucking get some, boys.
This program to bring you a special report.
So just a quick update, not that I've vlogged anything today, but like this is ridiculous. There are cars here that have like hundreds of hours put into them like this.
So they are meant
cars are wild and they don't even get a look in. No one's even looking at them because they're sitting next to stuff like this. Which is ridiculous to even think that like this is all of their life. There's guys that have put everything they have into these type of cars and it's not even given the time of day because it's sitting next to all these 7-second cars. That's fucking wild. Alrighty, we are done at GDR Festival and it was sick. It made me realise two things. One, my car is absolutely everything to me and it is an absolute bucket of shit compared to what is actually out there in the real world. There are guys out there that have put so much more time and effort into their cars and yeah, anyway. Secondly, EJ Subaru engine bays are the ugliest engine bays on the face of the planet. GDRs are insane. Right now we're going to get burgers because we have only eaten 6 cinnamon donuts all day and we is hungry. So anyway, we'll see you on the other side. Ciao!
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, 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 love,